Yo, what's up everybody, man? It's your boy L64 and welcome to the journey, and this is the drive edition. So today, I'm gonna be sharing a video with you guys that I did a couple years back where I was test driving a car. I was test driving a Lamborghini Gillardo. I know I called it a Murcielago. No, it's not a Murcielago. It's a Gillardo. So don't ride me too hard about that pause. But anyway, I need you guys to follow me on my journey. I'm doing some content creating, and I want to make sure you guys click like and subscribe at the end of the video so you can check me out for further content and follow all the things we got going on, all right? 1.
Hey everyone, it's Joel with the Motorsport Lab. Who we got driving today?
Lamont Elliott.
Lamont, what we driving?
Lamborghini Murcielago.
Yes sir, how many laps we got?
6.
We got 6 laps today. You're at Pimlico Raceway in Baltimore. You ready to do this?
Ready, man.
Alright, let's do it, Lamont. Whenever you're ready, foot on the brake, pull that right paddle for first.
Alright.
You can click it now.
I already clicked it.
Yep, she's in gear. Handbrake's down. She's ready.
Alright.
Let's do it. Yep, I'll get that for you. Don't even worry about it. Yep, and you can hit that paddle. Click it. Nice. Yes, hard brake, dive it down in. Nice and steady throttle through the turn. Yep, yep, right. There we go. Left of the cones, back to the right. Hell yes, hard brake. There we go, man. Yes, hell yes. Fucking great run, Lamont. Seriously. Great turn. Back on throttle. Full throttle. Yes, good control. Good correction. I love it. Yes, man. Yes. Hard brake. Dive it. Nice and steady. Back on it. Nice and steady. Let her turn. Full throttle. Yes, man, fuck yeah, back on that throttle, send it, all the way, yes. Hard brake, fuck yeah, man, you've got a great line, great hands, good feet, everything. Let her turn, now full. And, oh yes. Dude, killing it, man, I love it. Hell of a drive, man.
This motherfucker.
Let her turn, now full. Hell yes, dude. We got 2 more, man. How you feeling, dude?
Man, I'm loving this shit.
Yes.
What you think,
I
man?
fucking love it, dude. You're kicking ass, man. Seriously, you're hauling ass. You got great lines. Everything's smooth. Yes. I don't even need to say anything anymore. I'm just here for the ride. Fuck yeah. Last lap coming up. Great line through there. Super fast, seriously. Let her turn, full throttle. Whip that baby back to the left. Yes.
This motherfucker.
Full throttle. Yes. And then hard brake and we'll bring her in. Yeah, man. Fuck yeah. That's why I do it, man. Customers like you tearing this shit. Thank you so much.
That's what's up, man. Neutral.
Yeah, and then up on the handbrake there. She's in park, man. Dude, Lamont, thank you so much, dude.
Hey, I want to thank everybody for checking out the video. I appreciate the love and support. I need y'all to make sure y'all click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, the letter L, the number 64 dash The Journey. And we also got a clothing line out right now as well, Culture Los Angeles. We're going to leave everything down in the bottom. It'll be in the links. Just check us out. Make sure y'all continue to support, man. It's nothing but love, man. All praises to the Most High. Make sure you protect your families, keep them safe through this COVID madness. One.